Every driver thinks they know the secrets of saving fuel, the clever tricks, the special gadgets, the one weird hack that makes your tank last longer. But what if the things we've been told are the very reason our fuel disappears faster? For decades, these myths have spread like wildfire. Whispered at gas stations, shared on forums, even preached by so-called car experts. And yet, behind every myth lies a quiet truth that could be costing you hundreds each year. Today, we're going to expose 9 of the most common fuel lies people still fall for, and the truth might just change the way you drive forever. Buckle up, because this ride isn't about rumors, it's about reality. And hey, if you love car tips like this, hit subscribe right now. Let's get started. Myth number 9. Turning off the AC saves gas. You've probably heard it 1,000 times. Turn off the AC, save some fuel. But here's the twist. Modern air conditioning systems barely sip fuel compared to older cars. What really steals your mileage isn't the AC, it's drag. Roll down your windows at highway speed and the air slams against your car, forcing your engine to fight harder. The faster you go, the stronger the drag, and the quicker your fuel burns away. Ironically, at high speeds, running the AC can actually save fuel compared to open windows. And driving without AC on a blazing summer day, that's not saving. That's suffering. Modern systems are built for comfort and efficiency. So stay cool, keep the windows up, and let technology do its job. Your car and your comfort will thank you. Myth number 8, manual transmissions always save gas. There was a time when shifting gears by hand made you the master of efficiency. You felt connected, every rev, every clutch press, a dance of control. But times have changed. Modern automatic transmissions are no longer sluggish machines. They're precise, intelligent, and often more efficient than human reflexes. Today's systems, CVTs, dual clutches, and smart gear mapping, read your throttle, terrain, and speed better than ever. They squeeze out every drop of fuel with mechanical precision. So while driving stick still feels raw and engaging, it's no longer the undisputed champion of efficiency. The real fuel saver now is innovation. Myth number 7, cruise control. Always saves fuel, it sounds logical. Hold a steady speed, save fuel. And yes, on flat highways, cruise control is your quiet companion in efficiency. But once the road starts to climb, the story changes. Cruise control doesn't think, it reacts. When your car begins to climb a hill, it pushes the engine harder to hold your set speed, burning more fuel than a skilled driver would. A seasoned driver knows how to let gravity work, easing off on the climb, coasting gently downhill. That rhythm, that intuition, often beats cruise control's robotic consistency. Still, for the average driver, cruise control helps avoid the worst habit of all, erratic acceleration. So when you're on a flat stretch, trust the system. But when the hills rise, take the wheel yourself. Myth number 6, topping off gives you more gas. You finish pumping, the handle clicks, but you squeeze just a little more. It feels satisfying, doesn't it? That illusion of getting your money's worth. But here's the truth. Once that click happens, your tank is full. Anything extra doesn't go into your tank, it spills, evaporates, or flows back into the pump. Worse, overfilling can flood your car's vapor recovery system, the part that turns fuel vapors into usable gas. When liquid fuel seeps into it, that system fails. Your mileage drops, your emissions rise, and the danger doesn't stop there. Gasoline expands in heat. What fits perfectly in a cool tank can overflow when the sun hits your car. That fuel can eat away at your paint, harm the environment, and even become a fire risk. So next time the nozzle clicks, stop. That extra squeeze isn't saving you money. It's slowly burning it. Myth number 5, premium. When gas cleans the engine and boosts performance, the word premium feels powerful. It sounds like quality, like something your car deserves. But unless your owner's manual specifically calls for it, premium fuel offers no real advantage. Its higher octane doesn't add power or clean your engine magically. It simply prevents knocking in high-performance engines. Regular gas already includes detergents to keep your engine clean. Oil companies just want you to feel like you're doing something special for your car. But think about it, if premium fuel truly cleaned better, every regular fuel engine would be choking on carbon by now. They're not. Save your money for what really matters: maintenance, not marketing. Myth number 4, filling up in the morning. Saves money, Cooler mornings mean denser fuel, they say, so you get more for your money. Sounds clever, but it's wrong. Fuel is stored underground, where temperatures barely change throughout the day. Morning, noon, or midnight, it's the same temperature, the same density, the same amount of gas per dollar. The only real difference? Cooler air slightly reduces vapor loss better for the planet, not your wallet. So don't chase the sunrise for your fill-up. The only thing that changes at dawn is the color of the sky. Myth number 3. Running on a low tank damages the engine. Drivers fear the empty light like it's a countdown to destruction. But engines don't care how much fuel sits in the tank, they only care that it doesn't run dry. The myth comes from the idea that dirt from the bottom of the tank gets sucked in. But your fuel pump always draws from the bottom, whether the tank is full or near empty. That's why filters exist, and modern filters are incredibly efficient. The only risk is the fuel pump itself. It relies on surrounding fuel for cooling. Run on empty too often, and you might shorten its lifespan. So yes, avoid running on fumes, but not out of fear for your engine. Do it to protect the pump that keeps your car's heart beating. Myth number 2. Big name gas stations have better fuel. The logos might change, the prices might differ, but the truth, almost all fuel comes from the same refineries. What separates big brands from small stations are the additives, subtle blends of detergents and lubricants. They help keep your system clean, but they won't make your engine stronger or more efficient. Even the fuel trucks you see often deliver to multiple brands on the same route. What really matters isn't the logo above the pump, it's how well you maintain your car below the hood. So don't fall for branding myths. Gas is gas. Keep your car healthy and it'll treat any quality fuel just fine. Myth number 1. Fuel additives improve mileage and performance. Every shelf at the auto store whispers the same promise: better mileage, cleaner engine, more power. But if these bottles truly worked wonders, gas companies would have used them long ago. The truth is, most are nothing more than expensive wishful thinking. Some may offer minor cleaning benefits in neglected engines, but the improvements are rarely worth the cost. Octane boosters, power enhancers, magic detergents, they sell dreams, not results. The real secret to performance isn't in a bottle, it's in maintenance. Clean filters, quality fuel, consistent care. So before you pour in that miracle formula, remember the best additive for your car is wisdom. Fuel myths are born from half-truths, ideas that sound smart but cost you more in the long run. And every time we believe them, our wallets take the hit. Smart driving habits, regular maintenance, and a little knowledge go further than any gadget, additive, or rumor. If this opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button. Because the truth about cars isn't always under the hood. Sometimes it's in what we believe about them.